Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. India tore into Pakistan at the United Nations Security Council. India called Pakistan's participation in discussions on protection of civilians in conflict zones an affront to the international community. India condemned Pakistan's hypocritical stance, which fails to distinguish between terrorists and civilians. India also highlighted that the Pakistan army deliberately shelled Indian border villages and of intentionally targeting places of worship. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who is leading an all-party parliamentary delegation, departed from Delhi in the early hours of today. This delegation will go to United States, Panama, Brazil and Colombia as part of Operation Sindoor outreach. Shashi Tharoor, ahead of departure, said that India would not be silenced by terrorism. Madhya Pradesh Minister Vijay Shah, who sparked a controversy with his insulting remarks on Colonel Sofia Qureshi, has tendered another apology. This is his second apology. This time he said his remark was a linguistic error. Earlier this month, Shah stirred a row when he said that the Prime Minister had sent a sister from the same community as those in Pakistan to avenge the April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam. After this remark, he received criticism from opposition parties, the Madhya Pradesh High Court and the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court had reprimanded Vijay Shah by calling his previous apologies insincere and crocodile tears. The monsoon is set to arrive in Kerala within next 24 hours. This is nearly a week ahead of its usual schedule. This year's onset in Kerala is said to be the earliest in the last 16 years. The last time the monsoon arrived this early in the state was in 2009 and 2001. All favorable conditions for the onset of the monsoon have developed over Kerala. And over the past 2 days, Kerala saw heavy rainfall lashing several parts due to a combination of a low pressure area and advancing monsoon system. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.